was a Navy SEAL, proud to fight for his country, and there's nothing that he loved more than his loyal dog, Hawkeye. Not even death could sever their bond. The soldier was killed when his helicopter was shot down in Afghanistan, and at his funeral, his dog sat right by his casket, loyal to the end. Paul Boyd has the heartbreaking story.
A gathering of grieving loved ones at the funeral of a war hero, and in the midst of the mourners, one very special friend. He's a dog who brings new meaning to the word loyalty. In death, as in life, a hound named Hawkeye refuses to leave the side of his master, Navy SEAL John Tumilson. Tumilson was one of 30 Americans killed when a helicopter was shot down in Afghanistan earlier this month. He was proud to be a Navy SEAL, and on visits home to Rockford, Iowa, his loyal Labrador Retriever was always there to greet him.
Oh, such a good girl.
Loyalty runs deep in the canine code. Watch as these dogs jump with joy upon the return of their military masters. So when it came time for a final farewell to John Tumilson, Hawkeye simply had to be there. One of Tumilson's grieving relatives snapped this photo of the loyal lab lying before the flag-draped coffin, saying, "I felt compelled to take one photo to share with family members that couldn't make it. To say that he was an amazing man doesn't do him justice."